Hello Kensters, today I want to talk about chemistry discussion basically for alternative B practical for 2026. This alternative B will be dealing on redox reaction. So the other discussion was on the do's and don'ts of practical examination for WAEC precisely. So if you've not seen the video, it's there on my YouTube channel. You can go and take a look at it. And for this alternative B, I want to deal more on the quantitative analysis. Now, these experiments will be a mixture of soluble salts and organic compound. And when WAEC wants to talk about soluble salts, remember, it's not all salts that are soluble, but then there are some specific ions that they want you to identify in the salt. The acidic, the positive ions and the negative ions. The negative ions we know is the acid radicals. Okay. Now these ions have characteristic nature when you add them or you add a reagent to it. Now I want to concentrate or channel this discussion into 4 ions that I'll be looking at, which I think that WAEC will be centering for this year alternative B practical. So we'll be looking at zinc ion, be looking into aluminum ion, be talking about lead ion, and lastly copper 2 ion. So these ion, you now ask yourself, zinc 2 ion, which of the salts of zinc is soluble? Which of the salts of aluminum is soluble? Which of the salts of lead 2 is soluble? And which of the salts of copper 2 is soluble? All these salts of zinc is not soluble, and so is the rest of the ions. So I targeted the salts that are soluble to work with. So for this discussion class, I'll be talking about zinc 2 sulfate. It is a soluble salt. I have it here. I'll be talking about it, zinc sulfate, and I'll be talking about another salt, aluminum sulfate. I'll be talking about lead 2 nitrate, and copper 2 sulfate. These are soluble salts. Someone will say, why are you not talking about lead 2 sulfate? It is not soluble. Are you getting me? So since WAEC says we'll be dealing on soluble salt, that is why I've brought down this soluble salt for us to work with. Now, you'll be given a mixture. You don't know the salt that is there. You don't even know the compound that is there. But